Had to steal a shifter off the other bike for now until I fab up a rod for this thing. I'm not doing that today. I'll probably leave that one on here and just make another one for the other bike since it's still down, and I'll get to it when I get to it. Should be close to being right. I'll ride it here in a little bit and get him to ride it since he uses different kind of shoes than I do. So he can set it where he wants it at as far as the height goes. As far as the height here, where his foot goes in there, everybody's slightly different. I can set it for me, and probably 75% of the time it'll be right for everybody, but there's always certain guys that like to wear tennis shoes or loafers or whatever when they're riding, and it won't be right as far as that goes. So you want to adjust it for your own foot as far as the height goes. And all you do there is loosen up the lock nuts on here. Take one side off and adjust it up or down, whichever way you want to go, whichever way you need to go. And of course, the one day I feel good enough to come out here and do stuff, it's already 90 couple something degrees, 94, 95 degrees, whatever it is. And I'm still worn down pretty good. So I'll probably ride this thing later this afternoon when it starts to cool down, about 6, 7 o'clock, something like that. I'll go ahead and straighten up the bars on here while I got tools out and I'm here. Like I said, they're not bad. Bars aren't bent. It's just where it hits the ground and it tends to move the bars and the risers. So usually you just loosen up the risers, loosen up the handlebar clamp, and tweak it back straight, and should be good to go. All right, so we should be doing some more stuff out here within the next probably week as far as bike stuff goes. And get back, I got a load of lumber the other day. Had to have somebody help me load it in the damn truck. Just couldn't do it. I'm still worn out. Ain't got no energy. They really sock it to you for being just a damn flu or whatever the hell it was. I don't know what the hell it was. I didn't take any tests. You know, if you're sick, you're sick. That's all there is to it. It doesn't matter what the hell it is. But stay tuned. We'll get back out here and do more stuff this summer. Early summer. There. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. And I'll try and do as much as I can here before too long.